Welcome to the Buckeye Public Library System Storytime with Carly, Silvana, and Mamie.
Good morning and welcome to Storytime. We're so glad you could join us today. I'm Miss Carly and I'm here with Miss Silvana and Miss Mamie. Today we're going to talk about numbers and we're going to learn a little Spanish along the way. Before we get started, we're going to sing our hello song. This is Everybody Wave Hello to the tune of Mary Had a Little Lamb. Will you guys sing with me?
Yeah.
You guys sing with me at home? Let's do it. Ready? Everybody wave hello, wave hello, wave hello. Everybody wave hello, let's have some fun. Everybody clap hello, clap hello, clap hello. Everybody clap hello. Now our song is done. Good job. Today we're going to have fun with numbers and Miss Silvana is going to help us learn some words in Spanish as well. Numbers.
Números.
And we have some llama piñatas that have numbers on them, so I'm going to count in English and Miss Silvana is going to count in Spanish and you guys can repeat after us at home. Ready?
¿Listos?
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
We have 10 llama piñatas.
10 piñatas lamas.
Now you guys know how to count to 10 in English.
Y en español.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Today we are reading One is a Piñata, a Book of Numbers. This is written by Roseanne Greenfield Thong and illustrated by John Parra. We're reading with permission from Chronicle Books. 1. Uno. 1 is a rainbow. 1 is a cake. 1 is a piñata that's ready to break. 2. Dos. 2 are maracas. We shake to the beat. 2 are zapatos on my feet. 3. Tres. 3 are burbujas that slide and wiggle. 3 are the pops and then the giggles. 4. Cuatro. 4 are bolillos, just waiting to dip in 4 cups of chocolate. But first, take a sip. 5. Cinco. 5 are cometas that dip and fly. 5 are the nubes that float through the sky. 6. Ses. 6 kinds of salsa to pour on rice. 6 rosy faces from all the spice. 6 flavored aguas to quench your thirst. Try horchata or piña first. 7. Siete. 7 are marigolds to lead the way. 7 calaveras to put on display. 8 are the frutas we eat on a stick with chili and lime juice. Come take your pick. 8. Ocho. 9. Nueve. 9 paraguas and puddles for splashing. 9 slick raincoats for those who love dashing. 10. 10. 10 glowing velas. 10 banners bright. 10 faroles that guide us by candlelight. 10 are my friends who join the fiesta. 10 are the yawns before our siesta. There are so many numbers we love to contar. From uno to 10, can you count that far? Will you guys count with me in Spanish? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The end. Very good. Thanks for joining me.
Hey Carly, guess what time it is?
What time is it?
It's time for another literacy tip.
Well, research shows that the best possible time to learn a second language is during early childhood. Talk with your children in the language you're most comfortable speaking. Silvana, isn't Spanish your first language?
Yes, it is. And I learned English when I was younger in the school. And also I learned it through singing, because singing is so good that lets you learn the flow of the language even if you don't speak it.
Right. If children know one language well, they can learn another language more easily. Even if you aren't fluent, you can expose them through simple ways such as bilingual storybooks or the same book available in multiple languages like we have here.
The more words your children know in both languages, the easier it will be for them to understand what they read.
I couldn't agree more. Parents, make sure to start teaching your other languages to your kids early and have fun learning new words.
Diviértase aprendiendo nuevas palabras.
Thanks.
Gracias.
As we learned from our literacy tip, singing is a great way to learn a new language. So we're going to sing 1 little, 2 little, 3 little burbujas. And burbujas we learned from our book are bubbles. So Miss Mamie's going to blow bubbles for us while we sing. Will you guys sing with us at home? Let's do it. You ready, Silvana?
Ready.
All right.
Listos.
1 little, 2 little, 3 little burbujas, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little burbujas, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little burbujas, 10 little burbujas go pop, pop, pop. Awesome! Good job! Did you guys enjoy our song 1 little, 2 little, 3 little burbujas?
Yes.
So did I. If you guys want to make bubbles at home, I'm going to show you how. So first, you'll need 1 bowl, 1½ cups of water, ½ a cup of dish soap, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 straw or water bottle to help blow the bubbles. For the water bottle, you'll cut the bottom off and take the lid off, and you'll use that as your bubble wand. Okay, so Miss Mamie and Miss Silvana are going to help me make bubbles right now.
Yes.
So we've got our bowl. We're going to start with 1½ cups of water. Then we're going to put in ½ a cup of dish soap. Next, we're going to put 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1, 2. And then you can take your straw and stir it all up till all of the sugar is dissolved. Once you've stirred it all up, you can let it sit for about 30 minutes. It'll make better bubbles. Then you can take your straw or your water bottle and start having fun.
Let's try. Whoa. Big bubble.
Oh, I'm having fun.
Look
Are
at
you,
this.
Savannah?
Try and
Yeah,
count
look
them
at
as
these,
you're
my
popping.
burbujas.
How many can you get, Miss Mamie?
Oh, wow. There are a lot of tiny ones.
Ooh, my
But they're
burbujas are
big
big.
ones.
Wow.
good
Did you
one.
see that?
Whoa.
Oh, awesome! So now that you have made your own bubbles, you can try singing 1 little, 2 little, 3 little burbujas at home, and then you can count them and pop them as you go. Give it a try.
Have fun, diviértanse.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you had a lot of fun.
No se olviden de practicar sus números en español. Don't forget to practice your numbers.
And keep reading. Have lots of fun with your bubbles.
Before we go, we've got to sing our closing song, which is Skinamarink. Will you guys sing with me?
Yes.
Will you guys sing with me at home? Let's do it. Ready?
Okay.
Skinnamarink-y dinky dink, skinnamarink-y doo. I love you. Skinnamarink-y dinky dink, skinnamarink-y doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. Now it's time to go home, but I'll see you soon. Oh, skinnamarink-y dinky dink, skinnamarink-y doo. I love you. Bye guys, we'll see you next time.